All right, dear traders and investors, a new simple app for you. Very, very simple. It's based on revenue segmentation API. It is showing you the revenue segmentation for different stocks. This is very useful if you want to know what is the portion of each item in your selected company. For example, Apple shares, you see the biggest revenue is brought by iPhone sales. And we can check other companies. For example, let's see NVIDIA company, fetch data, and you see the largest portion is data centers. And you can also see in dollar terms how much it is. Again, this very simple app is available to download. You can download my code on GitHub and customize it further, add percentages here if you want other customizations, and you can download it on my Git hub. You can also follow me on Twitter, and you can also read the article on revenue segmentation and how traders can use this revenue segmentation for their strategies to improve their strategies. I will put the link to the article as well. Thank you very much for watching.